A web design company? Or a free web developer? How to choose the right one. Are you looking to develop a new website or redesigning an existing website for your business? Most businesses do get confused whether to hire a web design agency or a free web developer. As a business owner, it is very important that you have a good website. However, having a website alone will not achieve your goals. If you want to succeed, you need an attractive website with an easy user visual design. In addition, you will need to implement SEO, payment, marketing strategies to outperform your competitors. In short, developing an active business website requires experience, knowledge and skills. Now you may be wondering how to hire the right professional to design and develop your website. You have two options when creating a website. 1. Hire free web developer. 2. Hire web development company. You are ready to start a website development or redesign project for your business. The first decision you should make is whether to work with a freelancer or a web design firm. Choosing the right professional to design a website can be an incredibly important decision for any business. To make the right decision, you need to consider the pros and cons of each option. But before we get into all the pros and cons of these two options, let's first understand the basic differences between these two options. The difference between a free web developer and a web development company. The web design process is somewhat complicated and includes the stages of web design, development, content creation, SEO and many more. A freelancer is a self-employed person who is not affiliated with any company or organization. A freelancer usually works from home and takes on several projects for different organizations at once. On the other hand, a website development agency is a full-service company that specializes in website development. They employs a team of professionals working towards a common goal of designing and building your website. A web design agency consists of graphic designers, web developers, copywriters, SEO experts, and many other professionals who specialize in various areas of web development. Now let's explore the pros and cons of hiring a freelancer or web design firm. Advantages and disadvantages of hiring a free web developer. The main advantage of working with a freelancer is low cost. Many small businesses prefer to hire a freelance designer because it is cheaper to work with. Freelancers set their own prices and are often more flexible with pricing. Freelancers charge less because they do not need to manage costs such as staff salaries, office rent and maintenance. Apart from this, working with a freelancer allows you to get more involved in the creative process. A trusted freelancer can devote more time and attention only to your project. However, there are also serious disadvantages to hiring a freelancer for your project. A free web developer is an individual who does not have a team of different experts. Unlike an organization that has a team working on different aspects of your website, a free web developer will work alone and you will have to work according to his schedule. Many freelancers will slow down their work as they handle different projects at once. Moreover, a free web developer will have less credibility than a web development company, so it will be difficult to review them online. Advantages and disadvantages of working with a web design company. Web design agencies are registered and need to maintain a reputation in their industry community. A web design company will have their own content writers, developers, designers, and SEO experts under one roof. Even if you have to pay more than a freelancer, you can still save on the cost of hiring multiple people to complete one project. When different experts in your project work together, you will get better results in less time. These companies have access to advanced technology and better design materials to better assist you. The only and biggest drawback of working with an agency is cost. These agencies have physical office space and their fees will increase as they employ more specialists. Our conclusion: a free web developer? A web design, development company? As mentioned above, both options have some advantages and disadvantages. The decision to hire a freelancer or agency largely depends on the services you need, your budget, and time frame for your project. If you consider the pros and cons of both options, obviously hiring a web development agency is a better option. Compared to a freelancer, a web design agency has the resources and support needed for a full-fledged web development project. You do not need to hire multiple freelancers for your project. Everything from planning to deployment will be taken care of by the company. Many web development agencies provide digital marketing services, and you will be able to use their services to manage your website for many years to come. Visit our website development packages to create a quality website through GMS LANKA.